got chopped by Benny Panganoni a little bit, but we're still first pair up, so pretty keen to get one and done today, especially after yesterday's debacle. So we're packed, ready to go. Cars are ready. Helmets and jackets in the cars. Pretty pumped to be here after the battles that we've dealt with to get here. It's definitely a lot different to last year, but we're keen to just chuck one lap down and get on the road.
First one's out in the staging lane this morning, so track was good. Zane's put a little bit more power in it. We're in an 864, a bit over 160 mile an hour. Good clean pass, so Zane wants to step it up a bit, of course, so we'll probably do that and give it another hit. Been a dream for a long time to do this. Read about it, looked about it, and finally actually to come out and do it and achieve what we're achieving. It's a big thanks to all the team because it's a big effort from a lot of people.
Benny and I both did a pass together, the first pass of day 2. I went 890 and from memory he went 860, so pretty over the moon with the result for both cars. This is the first time the car's ever run an 8 at drag week, so I'm pretty stoked with that. The Mustang's got so much potential in it. This has still got a bit of headroom, so on day 5 we're going to wick them both up and see if we're going to leave on a 50-footer or under our own power. So.
Car drives really well. It's easy to drive. It's got a lot more in it, but we also need to make it all the way. That's the main thing.
Cody Van Dies is coming up. The 1994 S10. Now Van Dies yesterday spun the tire early. Pedaled the big. Kind of knocked him back out of competition versus that LS Mustang we saw. But if the LS Mustang falters at all, and Cody Van Dies can put together some good runs over the next few days, it'll be a factor in the conversation. Tire off with the step last time. This is the front end of the car. This is the front end of the car. He gave up 40 feet in the first 100 feet. During his second attempt, he's breaking over this. Riding along.
I got an electrical issue. They're just trying to sort it out now. It's got no spark. They've cut out all the sensors. It's still not firing, so we'll work on it, get it sorted.
Yeah, we went out pretty early, and just before I ran, the officials sprayed the track. It must have still been wet, so the first pass was a bit of a pedal fest, which this car never spins the tyres, so we hot lapped it straight around and got it down the track. It went 1050 mile an hour's down. I think it's still running out of fuel, but just right on the finish line. So it went 1050, 125, probably should be 132. So yeah, we wound the float level up as high as we could, put another couple of pound in the fuel reg, and I turned everything off on the start line, hoping the pump would get a little bit more voltage. Or yeah, we're sort of grasping at straws, but it kind of just worked. So we're happy, and we'll be on the road pretty soon now. I can't remember the name of it, whatever that really steep single lane bridge. At the bottom of it, I was being a smart ass and said, oh, wouldn't you hate to break down on this bridge? And 5 seconds later, we run out of fuel. So we had a pretty big lineup behind us, and I managed to start it a couple of times, and there was still enough in the secondary pumping it. Yeah, we had about 10 goes, got it over the crest and rode down to the toll. So we were pretty lucky. There were some pretty angry people behind us, but other than that, no, it was good. Car ran well.
First run, I was a bit bad because, you know, how do I explain? I haven't had much seat time in the car, but yeah, I messed a few things up, but tomorrow I'll be on it, I reckon. I'm hoping for anything quicker than Robbie, but a 9 will be cool. But yeah, I'm not too stressed if it doesn't do it. I'm just here to have fun. Yeah.
Like I told you, I was short shifted yesterday at 5500 because the shift light was set lower, and I just reacted. And the engine made peak power at 64. So today I probably overthought it. I thought I'll try 7000. So I think yesterday I ran at 1029. Today I ran a 1020 at 132, I think, from memory. With Cordy in the driver's seat and taking 100 pounds out of it, we might even see like a 10.0 or a high 9, hopefully. But we'll see how we go. We'll have a bit of fun doing it.
here at 5:30. We'd been up all night. We drove through the front gate, parked down the back and slept on the ground because we were that beat to shit. Then the security bloke come and tried to wake us up this morning, couldn't wake us up, but he come back and got us up. We lifted the two-step up a little bit on the track. We didn't even get Terry to tune it, so we didn't get to the hotel last night to get the tune done, and we haven't been talking to him. We were all too tired, so we just give it a little bit more off the head, and it PB'd in the 60 at the half, and one and done, and it was all good.
Matt David is the worst ride we've ever seen anybody take at Drag Week. Absolutely. I was going to say the same thing. What a relief to hear that he's out of the car and okay. Well, of course, we'll also make sure to get him checked out. It looked like he was able to scrub some speed, but man, that was a hard hit.
So today, Magnus in the Pro Mod had a bit of a mishap and spattered on his roof. So we've got the new Stevo Opal edition that they've kindly donated for us. So they're going to roll in Stevo with us so they can finish out the week. They're going to jump in. So yeah, it's going to be pretty wild in this car come tonight, I would think. All 5 of us in there. So yeah, it should be pretty cool, I think. So we're going to pack our shit and go and find a beer and a shower and maybe a bed even and hit the road, bud. So later.